Welcome to the Selangor Digital Economy Convention SDEC 2024. We are pleased to welcome Encik Amir Reza Shawal, the GM and Head of Asia Pacific at PayMate, to the stage. Let's give a warm welcome to Encik Amir Reza Shawal. Thank you.
With the PayMate app, SMEs can now use their Visa and MasterCard credit cards to make payments to suppliers, landlord, contractors and subcontractors. PayMate, fueling Malaysia's ambitions, one payment at a time. Thank you very much.
Please unveil PayMate's business payments app in 3, 2, 1.
My name is Tengku Faika. I am the Managing Director of Ambience, a custom apparel and bridal manufacturing company. With PayMate, I can now pay my suppliers easily with my credit card, which previously it was hard for me to do so in Malaysia.
For their continued dedication to supporting SMEs and driving digitalization transformation, especially in Selangor.